Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 23rd, 2021. We're going to talk about this Cathie Wood situation and how the news is playing up her price target of about $3,000. We're going to look at the price chart to see if that's even feasible within the next 4 years. 2025 is when she's expecting the price of Tesla to hit $3,000. And let's not forget where the price was in Tesla about a year or so ago. So we're going to talk about that, show you all this quick snippet of our portfolio. I want to keep you all updated on how the market has been faring against that. You guys can see it. We have 5 stocks in this portfolio. Out of the 5, 3 are currently down and 2 is up. We have videos for all of those stocks. Simply go ahead and look in our playlist. The videos are there in regards to Boeing, Curis, Jamia Technologies, Southwestern Energy, as well as PowerShares ETF. I just want to show all a quick snippet of what our portfolio looks like right now. Okay, so you guys can see here though that the market is really amped about the price target that Cathie Wood is having for Tesla in 2025. She's looking for Tesla's stock price to be around $3,000 by 2025, and everyone in the media is playing this up. Everyone. And when you look at that, we're going to pay attention to the price chart to see if that's something feasible, because even though everyone is thinking that this is the news of the moment in Tesla, let's not forget where the price was in Tesla right before the stock split. Can you see right here the market in Tesla on July 2020 hit $1,430.76. That's about half already of where Cathie Wood is expecting Tesla to go. Now, do you think Tesla is going to create a robo taxi service? I think this is possibly, according to these articles, is how she's playing up her price target for Tesla. But either way it go, price is already determined all the way back here in 2020 that $3,000 is a feasible price target. Right before the stock split, you guys can tell we did it once, halfway to $3,000 back in 2020. Now the question is not if Tesla can hit $3,000 per share, but can it be done in the next 4 years by 2025? And looking at our price chart, first of all, I want to talk to you about our last price prediction, March the 4th, 2021. We expected the market in Tesla to continue to go lower in price, and we expected support to come into the market pretty much where we expected it to be, right there on March the 5th. Even on March the 8th, the market in Tesla came and held our ultimate TP price. So if anything, 8.9% was created and had and profited from on that forecast. So let's go ahead and take that away. And we're going to talk about this momentarily, but I want us to look at what trend does the market in Tesla need to be in order for us to see $3,000 being attainable and reached by 2025. Okay, so let's minimize this real quick. And there's $3,000 up here on the top right corner of the screen. And we're going to simply draw the trend out that the market in Tesla is going through. Okay, so now $3,000 is all the way up here into the market in Tesla. So now you guys can see it here that we have the trend, and the market in Tesla is in an upward trend, no doubt about it. In order for us to stay the current trend that we see into the market in Tesla, it would take 2028 before the market price would tag out in $3,000. So obviously, based off some of the ideas that Tesla may have in their back pocket, the market will have to break out and shoot higher. We will have to see the market eventually give us some massive bullishness to come in to allow Tesla to hit $3,000 within 2025. Okay, we will have to see some massive bullishness, just like we did here, to where the market in Tesla went from $185, $225, in September 2019 all the way to 1400 in 2020 in July. We need to see that same type of price action in Tesla in order for even $3,000 to be talked about in 2025. And if we continue to see the bullishness that we're seeing right now in Tesla, $3,000 is definitely doable. Okay, so we will need to see that same excitement, that same overall demand that came in Tesla right here back in July 2020. We need to see that same type of ideas and market anticipation, and everyone speaking on Tesla, everyone thinking that Tesla's going to go higher in price. That needs to be entered into the market again in order for us to really see that price hit $3,000. Okay, so yes, Tesla could hit $3,000 per share, but the question is, can it be done by 2025? That is where we are not necessarily sure of that yet, unless we start seeing that massive push in Tesla, just like here. We need to see this same type of massive push higher in price, and then that will become more and more of a reality. The longer it takes for us to see this massive push, the less likely it's not going to happen. Okay, I'm just here to tell you all that. That is based off the chart, based off what we're looking at right now. Yes, we can see the market in Tesla hit 3,000, but for us to hold this trend, it will take 2028. Okay. All right, so that's done. That's just our understanding of what we're looking at on a price chart in regards to can Tesla hit $3,000 by 2025. So let's get back to an area of realization in the market in Tesla. Let's go ahead and take this off. And now we're going to talk about closer to where we're seeing the market in Tesla trade at right now. Okay, let's get a little closer to what we're expecting the market in Tesla to do. The first thing is we are no longer in a downward trend, which is a very positive thing to see in the market in Tesla. Okay, so let's do this. We don't need to keep that line there anymore. And just like we told you all to see that market area support right there around 560. Actually, the support came in here. Okay, right around that particular area is where the market support came in Tesla. Now, restriction is coming into the market in Tesla right around this vicinity here. Okay, so this is our playground. This is going to be our forecast as to where we expect the market to give us more and more information as to whether or not we're going to break this trading channel to the upside, or will we break it to the downside. This is that playground area that we're going to focus in on. Okay, so we got our channel created and established. Okay, so now what are we seeing currently into the market in Tesla on a 3-day time frame? Let's go ahead and do that real quick. And generally, I don't see a lot of weakness into the market to where I would be expecting us to come all the way back down to around 540. I don't see that on the 3-day time frame. Even here on the 5-day time frame, I don't see a lot of weakness really being placated out into the market in Tesla. We have already established a support area of around $620, which is also a positive thing to see. So generally, the market in Tesla is not extremely weak. And the weekly time frame, we're still seeing some weakness here, but like I told you, it's not extremely weak. Okay, we're definitely seeing how the market is participating in buying Tesla right there around $625 to $640. That is where the buyers are coming in and purchasing Tesla shares. And let's not forget, the market in Tesla is still in an uptrend right there. So journey overall, the weakness in Tesla is not here, right? We've already seen the establishment of support right here on this ascending line. And then we have support coming in around 620. So what do you think our price prediction is going to be on this particular video in Tesla? Yes, if anything, we're going to continue to trade sideways. But within that, we're going to play some strength into the market in Tesla. We have like I said, 620 would be the area of support. In order for us to really see this market in Tesla trade up here towards this restriction line, it has to stay above 620. And then our restriction area is going to be in and around, $720, right? So this is pretty much what we're going to play with into the market in Tesla. I'm not seeing that much weakness. So if anything, the market's going to continue to trade in this forecast area that we've garnered, that we've created. But if that weakness do appear and we break below 620, then this is going to be the next area of support. It's going to be tested again in the market. All right. So this is it. This is our updated price prediction to the market in Tesla on a shorter time frame, not in 4 years. This is what we're looking for the market to do over the next couple of 6, 7, 8 trading days into the market in Tesla. So now it's your turn. Do you think $3,000 is feasible or attainable to reach in the next 4 years? Drop a comment in the comment section. As always, make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.